Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Informus Information Automotive New Cars and Others. Please subscribe.
2026 Honda GOLDWING 1800 key features 1833cc horizontally mounted 6-cylinder engine. The GOLDWING is powered by a 1833cc horizontally opposed liquid-cooled 6-cylinder engine. Maximum power is 93 kilowatts, 125 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute, and 170 Newton meters of torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute. Its powerful low-end character makes it perfect for long-distance touring. 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT plus walking mode. 7-speed DCT transmission with forward, reverse walking mode. You can slowly reverse for maneuvering in parking lots, a feature not found on other motorcycles. Front fascia with LED wing lines and an elegant dual-tone headlight cover. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The GOLDWING can connect to your smartphone via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation, music, and phone calls are all displayed on the 7-inch TFT screen. USB ports on the dashboard allow you to charge your devices while on the road. High-quality speakers make the journey even more enjoyable.